Good morning, traders. In front of you, Alpha Fibonacci system and software projected on 1-minute chart. In the trading room, you witness software and system in the live markets. We're stuck this morning at the junky retail levels. We're stuck, but you're witnessing price moving one step at a time and reminding you clearly, do not ever buy target or Z reversal zone. Can you obey this? There is only one option when price comes to this level: to monitor for reversal, to monitor for short, not to buy near. So if the price will continue being stuck in this retail chop, waiting for major news, let's dive a little bit deeper. Why JP Morgan traders trading this system on all instruments? Why traders globally trading system on all instruments? This is ultimate precision during brutal, choppy, vicious, nasty retail market conditions. 80% of your trade with Alpha Fibonacci system and software is done before you ever place a trade. This is critical key preparation. What does it show? Institutional rally exhausted. Market in bearish pullback. So if you choose to buy this high, it's a nasty trading. I'm projecting critical key preparation on every chart. I'm converting this retail chart to 5. We've been stuck here since European session. So when you trade your own little account, this is a critical key chart to keep in front of you at all times. If you understand this is only retail morning, this is brutal, nasty chop. If you understand nothing else is possible and you play by Alpha Fibonacci rules, this is aggressive trading only. Conservative trading does not exist. With a single glimpse, you knew it this morning. This is the only option. Market is a mess. Where's the institutional buy point? Institutional buy point is here. This is where market been bought non-stop. This is where day trading is a breeze, is a dream at institutional buy point. But when price is stuck this high and sellers are worthless and longs being added to institutional position, this is major problem for retail trader. Again, I project the software on 1-minute chart. Multiple trades played out on other charts. Nasty trading range, brutal market only. Price is stuck. And if this continue for hours, intelligent trader knew all of this well before market open. It's a nasty retail morning. Test is on. This is the only option this morning. In the trading room you witness precision of the system, precision of the software, and you have opportunity to ask questions. But it's absolutely not a call room in day trading for gamblers. You're an intelligent trader. You have zero interest following my calls. You have only one interest to trade as intelligent, strategic human being. So if I will decide to stop teaching in the next few months, because I would like to do so many other things, but teaching is my true passion, you will do just fine. Course will be video recorded classes, mostly only. And I will decide when they will start. That's it. Are you clear on this? Sooner you sign up for the course, much more you will learn in the live classes. So while price continue dancing in this brutal vicious chop, And price reminding you, price is its stepping stone. As first part time this morning, price reminding you, do not speculate, obey the targets and scale out accordingly. Every trader trades different account size. Every trader has different background. But this is ultimate alpha Fibonacci chess during brutal, vicious, nasty retail morning. So if you will decide to invest using gold, you understand gold testing critical key level to the downside. And you're extremely clear where gold's selling off from. So no matter what they say on the news, you're not buying 2100 level. Inflation or not, this is where gold collapsed from. Rate increase or not, gold collapsed completely from 2150 to 1700 level. Critical key test point on gold. Critical key levels to the downside. This level is out, gold in free fall. But Tesla keeps skyrocketing. Our students who trading Tesla are doing just fine. So if day trading is not for you, you cannot survive psychological test, use system long term. This is software for Ninja Trader 8 that's shown you clearly. Do not ever buy reversal zone. Tesla reversed from the bottom to the upside, testing identical level. If Tesla will fail from this level, 2030, nothing here to do. Chop on Tesla will remain. Amazon, trillion-dollar company, collapsed completely, but reversed from Alpha Fibonacci buy point. It's all the same. When you can trade one, you can trade them all. Historical event playing out on US dollar. As critical key Alpha Fibonacci support remains respected to the downside. So as we have incredible team in Canada, if US dollar keeps skyrocketing, I will go back for a visit to Canada, of course. Switzerland of the North, how can you refuse with so much nature when US dollar 40% higher, take it to your advantage. And again, if I bring it back to your attention, when I'm visiting Canada, it's because I timed my trip perfectly. When US dollar at the highest point, 40% higher. We are heading back up to that level. But this is critical key break wall to the upside. Market is a stepping stone to the downside. Again, remember where US dollar skyrocketed from? 124? Do you remember where S&P is now? My goodness, it's all the same. Wow. Identical event on S&P this morning as on US dollar? I convert this chart to 3. It's identical event. It's identical price action on every instrument. So when you trade by Alpha Fibonacci rules, the skies are the limit. You decide what you want to trade. When psychological test is on in day trading and it becomes a little too much, trade system long term. Trade Forex, trade Euro, trade Pound, trade crypto as traders do all over the world. On the last day of May, US dollar respecting critical key Alpha Fibonacci support present in front of you for years. Bullish rally on Apple continues. Bullish rally started on Apple at the bottom. Spectacular, flawless. And what Apple will do at this level will define Apple for months and years to come. To the downside, 172 is a key level on Apple. And if Apple collapses completely from 210, you're not surprised. But again, the only way you can trade this system if you can trade by Alpha Fibonacci rules. all the details so far in live classes and hundreds of prior live recorded classes. So again, identical event that played out on Bitcoin, where Bitcoin collapsed from, is identical event where Bitcoin skyrocketed from, is where S&P is right now. And that's recap of all the events this week. Next, major news. So again, if you're doing your work, you understand with a single glimpse, this is junky retail morning. It's very typical after major holiday. Again, big money tried to extend constantly long holiday weekend. It's very typical to be the slowest morning on record day after major holiday. So if you plan all of your vacations, all of your schedules, major news is out, traders. Let's go to major news. Pending. Again, sell-off and crash is a gift. Major news just came out, extremely bullish. Everyone seeing this? Is everyone clear? You understand the price in very nasty place, correct? You understand this is the only option this morning? Little retail junky trading range. That's it. Price is stuck. There is nothing else. So if later on market collapsing and crashing through this level and price reaches this level, this is when you glued to the screen. This is institutional entry points. Again, no matter what chart you trade, this is a moment you cancel all of your plans. This is a moment market is nasty. Again, sell-off started from reversal zone. Here we are in massive chop stock. And that's recap of this entire week on multiple instruments. So please remember to play by the rules. And when you do, the skies are the limit. Do not ever buy reversal zone. Do not ever gamble. Price collapse is here as a clock, reminding you only when you know Alpha Fibonacci rules, you understand that trading with precision is the only option and the only path to success. Because nasty retail markets are always present when institutions holding positions. We're not surprised that this remains. There is nothing else. Only this is present. It's a retail morning in a very limited trading range. This is what your success starts from. Beginner trader can trade with ease, institutional buy points. But when market remains in brutal chop, when market stop in vicious correction, this is when test is on. This is when only if you play with critical key rules and you understand and you know where to enter and exit your trade, you can become successful. And that's Alpha Fibonacci software during nasty brutal retail morning and recap of this week and months. So if you're ready to trade as institutional trader, I look forward to working with you. If you're done being majority and you're ready to trade all instruments, all time frames, all platforms, all with software for NinjaTrader 8, I look forward to seeing you in the live classes. Again, in the next few months, course will be converted mostly to video course with prior live recorded classes. I live and breathe what I do. So when you listen to our students, when you view students' podcasts and view students' performance from all over the world, I promise you the students are not smarter than you. They simply make an effort. If mom with two little babies on her arms can trade Nasdaq, if retired oncologist can trade options, if complete beginner traders can trade all instruments, all time frames, so can you. Simply choose the option appropriate for you. And when you do, the sky's the limit. All you have to do, make an effort. Private mentoring, the most desirable option. I have only one spot available. Savings $8,000. Every option includes video library of prior live recorded classes. Every option includes lifetime system for all platforms. Option 2 group course and option 4 private mentoring include lifetime software for Ninja Trader 8. Option 2, the most popular option, savings $5,000. Any questions for me, do not hesitate to contact me. 925-257-4298 or info@fibinstitute.com. Thank you traders so much for spectacular month of May. I look forward to seeing you in the live classes next. Major mass remains. It's a retail morning. This defines your success. How you trade institutional holds is everything, because institutions can hold positions for days, weeks, months, and even years. Ultimate test is on. This is everything. You can trade these markets, the rest is a breeze. But how you trade institutional holds will define your success. So I'm thrilled that you witnessed all of this during brutal, nasty retail morning. Ultimate precision, ultimate Alpha Fibonacci chess.